Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. We're back with another one, another costume. It's another week, which means another costume for my stream. But first, if you don't know me, I'm Artsymadwoman, and normally I make rugs. This is my tufting frame back here. We're working on some Halloween ones, and I live stream my rug tufting on Twitch. And for the month of October, I've been doing one costume a week. And this week, last week's was Pitbull, not the dog, but Mr. Worldwide. This week's is, well, you know by the title, but we are going to be taking the One Ring to Mordor.
They're taking the hobbits to Isengard!
And then folding in the end. He went all that way, resisted all that time. I get it. The ring was like, oh no, I'm about to die. Better work really hard to... I get it. We're going to be my favorite character in Lord of the Rings. Okay, electrolytes. Frodo needs his electrolytes. So I do have this wig. It's but ugly. It is so bad. I can't wait to show this to you, like how bad this wig is. It's what you get for $10 on Amazon, but like, wait, this is the back. And I think I'm gonna wear, we're getting ahead of ourselves. It's because I'm excited. First thing that we're gonna do is probably gonna do my makeup first. And you're like, what kind of makeup does Frodo have? Well, he doesn't have acne, so I am gonna cover that up. And I do think, basically, we're just going to get started. And
Shut up.
Also, we've got another head sock. Really exciting stuff. Why am I hot? Literally, why is it hot? Literally, where is my hair elastic? It was just here. Yeah. I'm going to use a little bit of concealer to just cancel out my little zitties. Yay. And then a little bit of concealer under my eyes. Which Lord of the Rings movie is your favorite? Or are you one of those psychos that's never seen any of the Lord of the Rings? Now we're gonna do a little bit of my foundation. I'm basically just gonna make a blank canvas that we can build on top of. Build what? I don't know. I should look up a picture. I'm just going off of memory, but towards the end, he looks pretty... Wait, I was thinking, trying to use my liquid latex on my lips. I don't know how horrific that would feel, but I was thinking of trying to use liquid latex on my lips to recreate how like crusty and chapped his lips are towards the end. No blush for Frodo, although I'm wondering if, let's see, I wrote Frodo Baggins. He kind of does have blush at the start, but that's not the Frodo I'm going for. I'm going for dirt Frodo. Frodo at the end when he, spoiler alert, when he fails and wants the ring for himself.
The ring is mine.
Wow, he's real dirty there. So you guys kind of saw what my like costume is gonna look like. This is the closest I've gotten so far, I guess.
Yeah.
But apparently it looks like what?
Bowling league.
But he's wearing like a jacket on top. But like, there's no vests that look like his. It's kind of like he's wearing a white shirt, and then it's the vest, and then the jacket. Oh my. Wow, that is really long. Yeah, none of these jackets are giving Frodo. This is our selection of women's jackets. Hell yeah. Oh, I guess it's a lot like the other thing. But the brown, dark brown buttons kind of give more Hobbit. I don't know, that could be...
That's definitely more.
Oh, it's like where he goes to put his hand in for the ring. Yeah, and then it's not there. And he goes, But they're cargo pants. Do you think Frodo wears cargo pants?
Oh, I guess that's a good...
Okay, these pants are very long, and I'm showing them in the worst way I could possibly show them. You know, those are all browns. Don't look at these. But we got these pants, this shirt, and then we found this. It's just like a really thin blanket, but look how... It's perfect. It's literally the exact color.
I'm ready. Oh my goodness.
Do I look like a hobbit? The cape looks really good.
The cape looks amazing.
Right?
Yeah, no, the pants work too. I think that looks good.
Alright.
Heck yeah.
I'm feeling pretty hobbity.
Wow, that wrist action is really incredible. It really looks like your arms are broken. Oh my goodness. Climbing up Mount Doom like.
We did great. What? I can't believe that we found this blanket that is like the perfect color. The rest of it's not perfect, but kinda. For thrifted stuff, I'm really happy. All right, we are officially a blank canvas. All right, now it's time to basically make myself look the way I did before. I'm gonna try to like make my under eyes look really tired. Might also just like blah, 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 blah around. We're gonna build on top of it, don't worry. All right, same palette. Gonna go in with this chocolatey brown at the top. Beautiful, wow. I'm just gonna go on top of that orange, make it a little less orange, a little more dirt looking. I mean, he does look, you know, like he hasn't really been eating, so that looks way more drastic on camera than it does in real life, I swear. He hasn't eaten that fancy. End of the video. Have a great day, you guys. He hasn't eaten that fancy bread in a long time. Sheesh. Let's get some splotches of dirt around. I've been climbing Mount Doom. Orcs and spiders have tried to eat me. I'm trying to do like swipes of, there we go. That looks silly. And I'm gonna be like, I've been climbing Mount Doom. All right, why it's so orange? That was dramatic. I found this. Haven't used this in a hot minute. Oh, okay. That looks like, yep. That looks like I bonked my nog in the dirt. We're looking more dirty. Oh my god, my neck. Just do it. Frodo was a dirty boy. Another Juvia's Place palette. She's beautiful. I don't know, like, for some reason I have this like image in my mind of like the around his eyes being very like pinky purple. So that's what I'm going for. Oh my god, I look like I've been in a zombie apocalypse for a little while. I need purple. Yeah, another Juvia. Listen, I have all the little babies that are in like different colors. Because like, look how useful they are. Ah! You touched my eye. Oh, nice. That kind of like makes it look really caved in. Okay, now we're looking like a zombie. Hold up on the purple. Pump the brakes on the purple. I look like Granny in a zombie apocalypse. But I also feel like I'm giving Frodo a little bit. What do his eyebrows look like? Just a little. Dude, I look like a zombie. Looking like a zombie in Middle Earth. I'm done with the brows. I think I'm done with my face for now. All right, bringing in the liquid latex once again. I feel like this is gonna be freaking disgusting. Should I just like dot it everywhere and then let it dry and like build it up? Ew. Oh my god. This feels terrible. I don't know, maybe there's a cut. I don't know. Oh, this isn't gonna work, is it? This isn't how they do it. And if I like let it dry, peel some away, and then it will look chapped. I'm just trying to build it up. Oh no! Ew! Get out of my mouth! Don't. Just shush. Attacking the hobbits to Isengard. Okay, let's let that dry and kind of just, you know, see where we're at. Okay, I'm back. It's dry. It feels terrible. Why did I do that? I don't know. It all came off. All of it. Why did I roll my lips like that? I'll be right back. Okay, I'm back and it's dry. If this doesn't work, we're moving on because I don't have time for this. I'm trying to like do this so that it gets wrinkly and I hold it there so it gets wrinkly. Don't look up my nose. Stop looking at my mouth. I'm gonna like pull on it a little bit, and if it comes off, we're not doing it. Okay. You see that? Nasty. But like maybe how my lips would look if I was walking through lava. You know what I'm saying? Okay, like that. That is disgusting, dude. Relax. Get back on there. Okay, okay. Press it back down. Sure. I'm looking more and more zombie as we go. Okay. Whatever. We're gonna go in with this red and just try to, like, I don't know, make it look painful. It already does. Well. Get this away from me. Like, girl, what are you going for? I don't know. Now I'm scared. Oh my god. Look at them. That looks gnarly. I don't like this. I have to wear this for 3 hours. Ah, girl, what are we doing? Look at that. Look at that. We don't even have the wig. We don't even move. Shut up. We're not doing anything else. Can I just braid the ends? And then we're going to pin them up like we did with the other thing. All right, other side. Zombie farm girl. Let's pin them up. Let's get our head sock. The sock feels good. Okay, it's wig time. All right, let me show you how it is supposed to be put on, like where the front is. Like, do you see the problem? Why is this so, all of this is straight. What are we doing? Frodo, don't look like that. And then the back is all curly. So I was thinking of having this part in the back, but like, I don't know, because then Frodo's gonna have freaking bedhead. Or is it this way? Which way are we supposed to be going here? Who is that? So yeah, let me flip her around. Frodo's gonna have bedhead. Oh well. That's more Frodo, right? I mean, it's a lot. It's like too much, but also it's better than the other side. But then look at the back. And like the are any of them gonna care? No. If they notice, it's just gonna be funny. Okay. Whose granny is this? Whose zombie granny is this? Let's do the outfit. All right, let's do pants first. Okay, let's do the shirt next. It's all coming together. All right, let's do cape next. All right, cape is on. But I bet you're thinking, Heather, are you gonna have the dogs out? Yes. Yes, I am. Yeah. Yep, this is the fit. Am I looking like Frodo Baggins, who's about to flow the entire mission at the top of this lava mountain? Gotta accessorize. Wow. There we go. Gotta have the rings. Try and tell me I'm not Frodo Baggins. You're a liar. You're a liar. I did a great job. I did a great job. Just don't look at the back of my head. I think the apple's rotten right to the core from all the blah 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 blah. I split the apple down symmetrical lines. Mine is kind of scary, makes me just want to try. That would be Frodo if he had a TikTok and did TikTok dances. You better work, bitch. You want a ring? You want a free Middle Earth? You better work, bitch. I would surely like to hold it one last time. I am Frodo. I am. I just am. And that's the end of it. Y'all, I have like 5 minutes. I gotta go. This is the makeup look. It's incredible. The one true ring. The one ring to rule them all around my neck. I don't know how I'm gonna beat this. Y'all, thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope that you enjoyed it. Hey, actually, if you want to support a little entrepreneur hobbit, this hobbit has tufted some rugs. And actually one of them is a flame wrist rest that is inspired by the flames of Mordor that I saw with these two eyes. From my own experiences, I made this art. There's also a rug that says Hottie, and there's flames around it. Those flames are also inspired by the flames of Mordor. Yep, and also there's a heart flail piece on there on my website right now that's inspired by the weapons I saw while traversing Middle Earth to save you. So if you want to check it out, I'll leave the link down in the description of this video. Anyways, I will see you in the next one. I love you to absolute death. I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye. Now we're going to do a little bit of, now we're going to do a little